Hello gamers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how can you collect extra gold coin in King Choice. Okay, so first after every reset you can get gold coins from this ranking. I will just place congratulations. See, I get 100 gold coin, more, 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 more. If you are lucky, you can get max to max 600 gold coin, otherwise minimum 30 gold coin at least. Then you have a option to view rewards. Okay, video rewards. You have to watch ads, and in exchange you will get 20 gold coins, 5 prestige, and any one of them random item. Okay, then later you have daily quest. Once you complete you will get 50 gold coin here. Okay, then sign in. Each day whenever you sign in you will get random reward and random amount of gold. Today I get 20 amount of gold, sometimes I get 80, sometimes I get 10, it depends. Okay, and then from here, okay, in lower section every Monday this section reset, and if you share you will get 50 gold coins. Just I click on it and took back, I will get 50 gold coins. 1 2 3, here it is. Same for nights, I will go to section, click on a WhatsApp and just pack. No need to share, just click on it and steps take back. I get it. Now if you have a money you can also purchase monthly card or yearly card. You will earn 120 gold coin from here and 100 gold coin from here. The benefit of purchasing monthly or yearly card, it's give you free alliance construction every day. Okay, until this card is valid. After that you have to pay gold for it. Then you can also get gold from this market. Let's see I get or not. No, you can also get gold from here. Here is two chances for a free every day. You can increase your fortune. Let's try once. I increase my is full 10. Let's see, can I get gold? Please, 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 please give me gold. It's random. Okay guys, it's not a fix you will get a gold coin from here, but yes you can get. It's totally random. Let's see. But not only gold coin, you will get intimacy, sometimes grain, silver, or books, or any kind of reward. It's totally random. Okay, give me gold. Bad luck. Let's try again. One gold coin. Sometimes I get 100. See, I get 10 gold coin. It's totally random. It's totally depends. Okay, let's keep it. Let's move forward. Then you can also do this naval. I daily usually do 9 stages. From here I get intimacy items and gold coins too. See, today I get 30 gold coin and plus lots of intimacy items. Yesterday I got 60 and lots of intimacy items. It's very helpful and low investment. Next, if I visit here, I will get gold coin. It depends on your lord level. Now my lord level is senior lord 5, that's why I get 110. If I can increase my rank from a superior lord 1, I will get 115 gold coins. Okay, then next, here is strikeout. If you Whenever we play pirates or hunting ground, we get random amount of gold from here, and if you make a final strike to pirate, you will get 100 gold coin as a reward. So whenever you get chance, always make a final strike to pirate. Okay, then here, if you spend particular amount of gold, specific amount of gold, then you will get reward specific amount of gold. Next, here is achievements. Once you reach any amount of lord, king's choice give you specific amount of gold. See, if I reach superior lord 1, I will get 1000 gold as the rewards. Okay, then there are some items in your bag which can give you 10 amounts of gold. See, I have this thread. If I want, I can exchange it for a 10 gold. Then later, I have there are sometimes we got redeem codes. Okay, whenever we get a redeem code, we can redeem it from here by entering redeem code, and we can get amount of gold. It's depend on how much amount of you gold you get in redeem code, how much king's choice provides you. So, and if you do top ups and things like that, you can get gold from here too. So that's it, guys. By using this method, you can get gold coins in good amount each week, every day. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.